Hi guys!
Hello guys!
We're here right now sa Kelowna, BC. This would be our last stop before we head home.
Yes.
Ano masasabi mo dito sa Kelowna?
Okay lang. Ilang beses na ako napunta rito. It's always beautiful every time I come here. Kasi ang ganda ng lake.
Yes. I think last year there was a fire over here.
Yeah, on the other
A
side.
forest fire over there. And it was tragic.
Yeah.
But right now, nag-recuperate ulit ang
President sa Kelowna.
yeah. So this is a must visit here if you're in BC. So
You have to stop here, yes.
yeah, you do. So don't forget to visit Kelowna if you're in BC. So
So we're waiting for mag-ano na kami. Dinner soon. So,
we'll see you next time.
Yes.
And let's go.
Welcome to Kelowna, British Columbia, the heart of the Okanagan Valley and one of Canada's most beautiful year-round destinations. Kelowna is a 3-hour and 56-minute drive from Vancouver. Kelowna is famous for its stunning lakes, award-winning wineries, outdoor adventures, and vibrant culture. It sits along the shores of Okanagan Lake, surrounded by rolling vineyards, orchards, and scenic mountains, making it a perfect spot for both relaxation and exploration. Top things to do in Kelowna. Explore Okanagan Lake. Go swimming, paddleboarding, boating, or take a sunset cruise. Visit local wineries. Kelowna is home to over 40 wineries, offering tastings with incredible views. Hike and bike trails. Check out Knox Mountain, Myra Canyon Trestles, and Crawford Falls for breathtaking views. Downtown Kelowna, stroll the waterfront, enjoy cafes, art galleries, and local shops. Fruit picking and farmers markets. Taste fresh peaches, cherries, and apples straight from the orchard. Winter fun. Nearby Big White Ski Resort offers world-class skiing and snowboarding. Fun facts. Kelowna comes from the Okanagan word for grizzly bear. It's one of Canada's sunniest cities, with over 2,000 hours of sunshine each year. The wine industry here produces some of the best wines in North America.
This is downtown Kelowna. Early in the morning. Beautiful sunny day today.
Best time to visit. Summer, perfect for beaches, wineries, and water adventures. Fall, harvest season, fewer crowds, and amazing colors. Winter, skiing and cozy mountain getaways. Spring, blooming orchards and mild weather. Whether you're here for adventure, wine, or simply to relax by the lake, Kelowna has something for everyone.
So, what can you say about this place?
It's nice. Look, we're here at Earl's, at our patio. Look at the view. Very nice. In Vancouver, you cannot, maybe you can see a place like this with a view, but not as good as this.
Very true. And the food?
Very good. Great.
Will you come back here again?
Yes, at this place.
How did you like Kelowna compared to the other cities we stopped?
Of course, this one is better, bigger, and more walkway.
Yeah, Kelowna is a bigger city.
And the view.
Yes, there's a lot of view, there's a lot of buildings. It's more, what do you call that?
More
Progress compared to the other city.
other town. Yeah.
But you know what? I could go over here every year.
As long as the weather is nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Nice place.